Today, we have a top secret mission to share with you, so watch till the end. I'll be revealing 8 incredible AI tools that can help you make around $300 a day. These tools are so advanced that even Elon Musk would be impressed. So, grab your favorite robot sidekick and get ready to dive into the world of AI money-making. But before we blast off, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to join our rockstar family. Tool number 1, Luca Custom Logo Designs. The first AI tool we'll discuss is Luca. It uses algorithms to generate custom logo designs based on your preferences. Just enter your company name and provide details like logo type, color, and message. Luca will give you several options to choose from. You can even customize them further. Monetize Luca by offering logo design services at a lower price than graphic designers on platforms like Fiverr. Tool number 2, Phrase.io. Blog content creation. Next up is Phrase.io. It's perfect for creating amazing blogs without being a creative genius. You can convert audio into written blogs using this tool. For example, you can turn a viral YouTube video into a blog post and monetize it through platforms like Medium, where writers earn $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. Tool number 3, 11 Labs, AI Realistic Speech Software. Say hello to 11 Labs AI, the most realistic and versatile speech software ever. It's great for storytellers, content creators, and anyone looking for high-quality voice-over solutions. With this tool, you can sound like anyone, even Leonardo DiCaprio imitating Kim Kardashian. Monetize it through YouTube, podcasts, or online courses. Tool number 4, Beethoven AI. Custom royalty-free music. Beethoven is the AI tool for creating custom royalty-free music. No more copyright issues on platforms like YouTube. You can monetize your own music creations and sell them on platforms like YouTube's Audio Library or Canva. Tool number 5, Clear Voice with Podcast Editing. Clear Voice is a fantastic AI tool for podcast creators. It automatically edits your podcast episodes, giving you professional-sounding content without the need for expensive equipment. While it may take time to build a large following, you can eventually monetize your podcast through sponsorships or paid courses. Tool 6, CopyMonkey Amazon Listing Creation. CopyMonkey is the ideal tool for Amazon sellers. It helps automate your Amazon business by offering tools for keyword research and copywriting. Optimize your product descriptions with critical keywords to increase sales. Tool number 7, GetMunch AI. Video creation. GetMunch is an AI-powered video creation tool that specializes in creating shorts for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. It takes your long-form videos and chops them into vertical clips, providing subtitles and captions. Monetize your shorts through views and by offering video creation services to other content creators. Tool 8, DID Creative Reality Studio, Avatar Creation. DID Creative Reality Studio allows you to create avatars and generate scripts using AI. You can turn a photo of yourself into a moving image with some audio. Monetize this tool through faceless YouTube channels, tutorials, courses. 8 incredible AI tools that can help you make money in the world of AI monetization. Be patient, consistent, and creative, and let AI work its magic. Until next time, rock stars, walk good.